Okay, so preparing, going to a camping trip to Tagaytay. Kantutang Backlark. Okay. Alright, so guys, as mentioned kanina, today magka-camping tayo sa may Tagaytay. Pupunta ako sa may Vierfront Campgrounds, if I'm not mistaken yung pangalan niya. We've been moto camping for quite a while now. And of course, as we progress, tumadami yung dala ko. And today, it feels a bit awkward. Mas maganda talaga may side pannier or saddle bag. Problem is, nasira agad yung saddle bag na meron ako. Hindi pa ako nakabili ng bago. And it's kind of difficult to drive. So, medyo chill ride doon tayo ngayon. Hindi ako mamadali. To be safe.
Don Hari Road for 4 kilometers.
Why am I doing this? Well, I need to unwind. I've been feeling very, very stressed and overwhelmed lately. And camping and spending time in nature is a great way to really help you relax and regain your focus. Kaya gagawin natin to. Of course, gamit natin si Clark dito sa adventure na to. Clark is my ATV 160 by the way. Again, medyo iba yung feel ko sa bit-bit ko. Bigat, pero ingat lang tayo, alalay lang. Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. Well, it's 3:30 PM. Supposedly 2 PM ang check-in. Kaso late kasi ako nag-confirm. Kasi kasalanan ko din naman. Hindi ako nakapagpabook last night. And kanina nagbakasakali lang ako baka pwede. Kasi apparently sa Vierfront, pag Sundays to Thursdays, pwede kang mag-walk-in. Then, pag Fridays to Saturday, and Friday, Saturday, and holidays, you need to reserve. Kailangan pa-reserve. Lalo ngayon, wala namang bayad yung reservation for 1 to 4 campers, pero 5 and up, I believe kailangan magbayad ng down payment. So, just an FYI to those na interested. Bakit tayo sa Vierfront magka-camp? Well, I've watched a couple of moto camping videos and mukha naman siya maganda and malamig daw. And it's been really, really hot. Lately, nag-camp ako dito around Dasmariñas. And I'm telling you, sobrang parusa yung init. And I want to change of scenery. And actually, past couple of days, nag-uulan naman. Pero iba pa rin, mainit pa rin eh. Kahit na ulan. So, we'll see. And I'm actually hoping na umulan while I'm camping. Kasi that's the beauty of camping talaga when it rains. You get to feel the beauty of nature without the comfort of a solid roof above your head. Yung kumbaga, nature talaga. Walang civilization, kumbaga. So I'm really looking forward to that. I hope it rains mamaya. Well, after I set up my camp. Syempre, not before. But we'll see. So ayun, I'm sorry if I haven't been able to upload anything recently dun sa mga nakasubscribe sa akin and sumusubaybay kung meron man. Thank you. Lately kasi hindi talaga ako makapag-upload. Ang nangyari, yung mga previous moto camping video sana na ginawa namin, ang problema ko is nasira yung media mode na binili ko sa Shopee. I made a video talking about that. I was very happy kasi mura-mura ko siya nabili kasi second hand siya from China. And sa mga reviews magaganda naman, pero itong yung nabili ko, okay siya nung una. Pero after a month, it just stopped working. So bumili ako ng bago, brand new na, syempre para iwas issue. And it's only 1,000 pesos difference lang naman. So might as well. Mas mahal man ng 1,000 kung mas maayos naman and mas tatagal, why the hell not? I've read something about this yung kung sino yung nagtitipid, siya pa yung napapagasta ng mas malaki in the long run. I guess that's the same concept. So kung bibili kayo, might as well get something worth it. Mas mahal man ng konti, if it's gonna last longer, if it's gonna perform better, go for it. Huwag na kayong magtipid kasi kayo lang din ang mahihirapan. Mapapagisa lang kayo lalo. Repairs, bibili kayo uli, repairs and all that stuff. So, iwasan nyo na lang yun. Just go for a brand new whatever.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Emilio Aguinaldo Highway, R2.
Hindi ako dadaan sa Emilio Aguinaldo. Ano, may shortcut kasi dito tinurusan. Hindi naman siya shortcut actually. Kumbaga kung dadaanan mo siya, para ka lang din duman sa highway.
Turn
Ito,
left onto Emilio
ang dami kasi
Aguinaldo Highway,
ginagawang
R2.
daan ngayon dito sa Danghari. Or, no, sorry, Danghari, sa Dasma. So, iwas lang natin yung mga repairs na yon. Oh God, kuya, please let me pass. Kasi kakaliwa ako dito sa my U-turn slot. U-turn slot, here we go. Yeah. I have to be very careful with Clark. Kasi kakaiba talaga yung weight distribution ko ngayon.
West on Donghari Road.
You might be wondering bakit ako nag-English sa vlogs ko. Well, I want to establish a community wherein we're talking about camping or moto camping in the Philippines. And ang target audience ko is hindi lang yung kababayan nating mga Pinoy. I want people from other countries to see that you can also camp in the Philippines. Most of the travelers naman talaga, and correct me if I'm wrong with this assumption. Assumption ko lang naman to. There's no study about it. But I'm assuming na travelers who travel around the world at one point in time naka-experience ng camping or alam mo yun, merong interest na mag-camp. Kasi they're travelers eh. It's only natural to have that nomadic lifestyle or inclination na mag camp or do something adventurous aside from traveling. Traveling is fun, but adventure is even better, di ba? So, I have that notion na ganun nga. Since mga travelers naman sila, they're foreigners, probably visiting the Philippines, I want them to know na hindi lang beaches ang meron tayo, we also have nice campgrounds. Ayun, so yun nga, going back to my topic, I want people from other countries to experience it. Masarap mag-camp dito, especially if you're from a place where it's really cold or rains all the time. Experiencing Philippines, the weather's nice, not just for beach, although wag yung ganito kainit, and not when it's this humid and hot kasi it's a torture. There was one time a couple of weeks back, nag-camp kami nung asawa ko sa may Dasmariñas, and it was hell. Ang ganda ng place, sobrang ganda. Check it out, it's Cafe Salvacion. Sobrang ganda ng place. Mabait yung may-ari, yung mga tao. It's really safe.
Meters, turn right onto Salitron Road.
Nagbigyan kami ng mangoes. Pwede, actually na siya eh. Mango farm siya. So, paalam lang kayo maayos. Bibigyan naman kayo. I mean, mabait yung owner. So, just do the right thing. Paalam lang kayo. He will not say no. He's very nice. And very humble. Tapos, yun nga, maganda pa dun sa campsite nila is
In 400 meters, turn left onto Emilio Aguinaldo
may cafe
Highway,
din
R2.
sila. So, nandun na lahat. Kumbaga, if you want to camp and not have to worry about food, meron sila. Kasi may cafe nga, so they offer coffee, tea, and food. So, andun na talaga lahat. So, wala na kayong problemahin. But of course, I like cooking and camp. So, actually, yung mga sakay ko sa ibabaw ng top box ko, cooking equipment ko lang yan. Wala yung butane doon as in, cooking equipment lang. Actually, sa Cafe Salvacion pala, let me talk about that for a bit. Sa Cafe Salvacion, kailangan yung pa-reserve 1 day ahead. Okay, now, mura lang doon, $250 per camper. For kids, I'm not sure kung for kids libre or half ha. I think half. Check out din na lang din yung Facebook page na nandun naman natin information and they respond really quick. Yeah, kung gusto nyo puntang Cafe Salvacion, mag-right lang kayo dito. Right kayo dyan, diretso hanggang sa may Dasma, yung may church doon. Yun lang, diretso lang yan, Cafe Salvacion na yun. Si Kuya may dalang camping table and backpack. I think it's gonna camp. Beat yesterday. I remember Miyamoto Musashi had said something similar. Today's training is to defeat yesterday or something. Okay, so sana tuloy-tuloy na to. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very foggy here. I'm not gonna give you any of that ASMR thingy. Ang dami nang gumagawa nun. So, I'll just talk to you guys while I'm making dinner. Okay? So, dinner for tonight is sisig. Let me show you how we do it. Gagawin ko pala, papakuluan ko muna yung baboy. So, I'll be using my portable stove, wood stove, or charcoal. Pwede mo gumamit ng uling, so all good. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this pouch. Ayan, sorry. So kaya pala medyo kengko yung itsura ng video kanina naka-wide. So, buuin ko lang itong stove and we're gonna start boiling the pork. So ayun guys, so late na ako nakarating dito sa campsite. So I wasn't really able to show you around. Pero tomorrow, pag may araw, I'll go around and show you what it's like, show you the stuff you can do, and give you my thoughts. Pero for now, first impression lang muna, it's a nice place. It's safe. Parang private property siya. And also very accommodating na may-ari, and the other people here, sobrang bayat. You can buy water and ice, and kanina I was planning to get firewood for bonfires. Yun ang gagamitin ko. Apparently they sell charcoal din, so wonderful. So yung gagamitin ko ngayon to boil the pork. So ayun guys, medyo malamig. So I'll go ahead and light a mosquito coil. Dala kayo ganito if ever mapunta dito. Try to bring mosquito coils or at least of lotion to stop the mosquitoes or the mosquitoes from sucking you dry. Kasi madami sila. Hindi naman sobrang dami, but you'll know they're here. We got the mosquito coil going na, so ito naman tayo sa huli. Now, there's this great product that I saw online. You can actually find it sa Shopee. Ang tawag sa inyo, solid fuel or solid fuel, whatever you want to pronounce it. Pwede mong, ang ganda niya eh, it's like a cube lang made of alcohol. And you can use it to heat up water real fast, or gamitin mo para mas mapabilis yung pag start ng huli. It's great. Siguro mga 25 pesos per piece shot. Check it out. Basta solid fuel yung tawag sa kanya. While we're here, share ko lang. A couple of weeks back, nag-camp kami ng asawa ko sa may Cafe Salvacion. When I was telling you about yung sa Dasman, it's really nice, great place, great people. Tapos it was really hot. Ang hirap matulog, hindi kami matulog. I finally found out what it feels like to be a booger. Alam mo yun, yung nakastuck ka sa isang structure na dome shape, just like your nostrils. Tapos only warm air passes through. So it was terrible. Now, doon sa mga gustong mag-start mag-camping or kahit doon sa mga marunong na, just you probably know this, pero bigyan ko na lang kayo ng tips. What I would recommend you to do is buy a decent fan. Bumili ako ng fan. It's in the tent. Mamaya pa ito ako sa inyo. Sobrang solid. Ang tatak niya is Jisoo Life. Jisoo from Blackpink. Jisoo Life yung brand niya. It's really good. Ang ganda. Ang lakas ng hangin. And it really helps out. When we camped again, na-experience namin yung gamitin yung Jisoo Life. It's really good. And another thing, itong tent na gamit ko ngayon, it's from Brown Trekker. Ang pangalan niya is New Highball 2. Maganda siya. But it's designed for mountaineering. Now, sa bundok talaga malamig. Kahit lang ganyan malamig, kahit hindi ka mag-fan doon. Mag-jacket ka pa ng sobra. Just to, survive the night. Pero, it's not great for summer camping. You would want a tent na if pwede buong mesh or mostly mesh, go for that kind of tent for summer camping. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm planning on investing on summer camping tent kasi mainit naman talaga sa Philippines, and if there are foreigners watching this right now, I recommend you do the same. Look for tents made up of mostly mesh. It's gonna help you out a lot. I'm sure you guys are not used to the heat that we have here, so you might want to check it out. I talk too much. Isang pirasong uling lang yung ano, so my pocket pillows is not gonna do a lot, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna switch back to the butane. And I'm gonna stop talking about that. But this is a great tool if, you know, if you're trying to start a fire or uling. Pull out one of my portable cookware. Now, dun sa mga viewers na interested kung saan ko nabili mo ang gamit and how much they cost, I'm gonna leave links sa description box so you can check them out. To those na nagpa-follow sa akin, you probably know that I always look for the best bargain. I like doing stuff, even tech, on the cheap. Kung makatipid ako, I'll go for that. So, take a look at the products na ilagay ko sa my description box. If the prices are good and you're interested in buying them, get it. It's probably the best price you're gonna see online. I'm not just saying that. I've done extensive research just to get the best deals. Like this set, for example, it's like sa iba you can get for around 500 nga lang, siguro around 600 to 800 pesos. I got it like almost 400 or yeah, I think. I'll just show the link na lang. Share the link na lang so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna make coffee using this. This is an alcohol stove, if familiar kayo. It generally uses denatured alcohol to boil your coffee. And that's why they call it alcohol stove. Okay, para siyang burner. I don't know if you can see that. Just use denatured alcohol. This is not, you know, alcoholic beverages. This is not whiskey. Wish it was. Actually, bumili ako ng soju. For some reason, I forgot to pack it. That's stupid. For the highlight of the evening, first time ko gagamitin to. This was given to me by my sponsor. Thank you so much, my wife. This is a Tomshu Titanium. It's a pot. Yeah. What's great about titanium is it's lightweight. It's food grade, so it's safe, but it's pricey. Okay, just to set expectations. Itong sa isa pa, this is 750 ml. Pero yung nakasulat dito sa 500 yung sa line, because you can go further, the 500 of course, kaya 750 siya. This costs around 800 pesos. Galing pa China yun. Couldn't find a shop here in the Philippines sa Shopee. So, ito, hindi ko magamit to for some reason. It won't fit my titanium pot, so I'm gonna use this instead. Bought this separately from Shopee as well. Basically, what this does is nagiging siya. Ganito. Gawin ko na lang. Turns into this that you can put on top of your stove. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan itsura niya. And then you can use it. All you need to do is put alcohol. I don't think I have enough. Wait, nabigyan ko lang. And this is again denatured alcohol. Hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng regular alcohol dito. Okay. Yeah. You probably won't be able to see it. So, I'm gonna turn off the light real quick. Para makita nyo. can see it now, diba? So it's there. There are dogs here, by the way, in this campsite. So yeah, just get ready to mingle with us. Hey guys, what's up? Yes, so pakuloan ko lang muna yung pork. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so guys, right now hinintay ko nang matapos na maluto yung or mag-boil yung pork. Let me show you. Yeah. Pagkatapos mag-boil na, ihawin ko yan. Then I'm gonna cut it up to small pieces. Tapos gonna fry it with the vegetables and liver spread since I don't have chicken liver. So I'm gonna go for the classic sisig. Alright? I'll be back after a bit. Nakapag-coffee na rin pala ako. I'm gonna make more paus na yan. Okay, so since nakalimutan ko magdala ng plato, ito tayo kain. I'm gonna use this as my plate. Ito yung rice natin. Ito. Medyo napadami yung luto ko, pero good na to for breakfast and tomorrow. Ignore the neighbors. So, yun lang, kain tayo. Catch you guys later. Oh yeah, before I forget, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na Jisoo Life na fan. It's an awesome fan. I mean, sobrang init sa Philippines lately, and if you go camping, it's a torture, pero this made it extremely bearable. Sa lahat ng fans na nabili ko, this has got to be the best one. Yung binili ko noon, and I suggest you don't buy it, you stay away from it. Ang tatak nun is super. Nakasulat dun sa fan is the word super sa gitna. I'll try to attach a photo para makita nyo. Stay away from it. It's horrible. I actually know people who can produce more air pressure with their farts more than that fan, so stay away from it. Oh, and the fan comes with a remote. Sweet. Just a tip about titanium pots. They conduct temperature really quickly. It gets hot really fast. It also gets cold really fast. So that's just something, you know, to keep in mind in case you decide to use or purchase titanium pots. Mabilis minute, mabilis mawala. So you might want to use it to boil and then transfer it to a different cup. Ako naman kasi I don't drink hot coffee, so I don't mind. Kape tayo. That's good cup of joe. Shout out to Sultan, my nephew. He likes orange joe. I like my cup of joe. So yun, medyo lumiluwang na rin. But still not enough for you to appreciate the campground. So, mamaya, itutur ko kayo. Okay, so as promised, I'm gonna tour you around the camp. Not sure if you can hear me. Sa likod ako ng GoPro, but I'll show you around the camp. This is my base camp. Very dirty. There, at least I keep all my garbage in one bag. So this was home for last night. As I said, they sell mineral water. They also sell charcoal. It's right here. Yan, ginamit ko pang luto ng dinner ko last night. They also sell ice, firewood if you want to have a campfire or bonfire. Here's Clark. Good morning, Clark. Nice to see you again. Hindi siya natakpan ng tarp. It was difficult to set up the tarp last night kasi nga madilim na nung dumating ako. When I was setting everything up, it was already dark, so it was kind of difficult. I'll just wash them when I get home. And this is the surrounding areas. I don't know what this building is. Hindi ko sila natanong. Actually safe. I slept a bit. Siguro 30 minutes or 45 minutes and then di na ako makatulog. I don't know why, but I'm fine. I'm used to that anyways. I slept well though. It was short, but it felt good. That was a good night's sleep. Or nap. Ayan, so, ito. Yeah, those are my neighbors. Good morning to you. Nakala ko kung ano pupunta ko dito, naligaw ako because iba yung pangalan niya. Mamaya papayta ko sa inyo paglabas ko sa camp site. It had a different name. And yung dinaanan ko nga one way eh. Tapos ko, mali yung way ko pero tinuloy ko pa rin. Yeah. So ito siya. There's a house there. I don't know who owns it. Siguro yung may-ari. And then here, there's an ark. Great place if you want to take photos. Mas maganda ito kung nilagyan nila ng flowers, but there's something crawling. May nagcamp pala dito. I don't want to intrude, so dito na lang tayo. There's some area there na pwede pa yung mag-camp. And here, pwede yung mag-camp dyan. All the way sa likod, sa dulo. I'm pretty much very near the edge na din naman, so I really wanted to be secluded because camping nga eh. Kumbaga, I'm trying to get away from it all. Sabi ko nga sa beginning ng video, I wanted to disconnect because I've been very stressed out. So ayan. So maya pack up na ako, so uwi na tayo. And tell me kung anong klaseng content yung gusto nyo makita. I feel like this format, ASMR, kung ano pa yung gusto nyo makita. As mentioned, lahat ng equipment na ginamit ko, everything, ipapost ko sa description box para may idea kayo and you can have more options pagdating sa camping equipment na bibili nyo. Okay? I'll just finish my coffee for now. Salamat po. sorry, I've been very silent on the way back home. Nakikiramdam kasi ako dun sa bagay ko. What's odd is mas mabigat ako yung pawis. Siguro dahil sa nabasa yung mga gamit, tapos may mga tira pa akong food, tapos may uling pa ako. Tapos hindi ko napak na maayos kasi nga basa. So, it's very difficult to pack kapag basa yung mga gamit. Hindi kaya pagtuyo. Anyways, I had fun sa Girlfriend. Wow, that rhymes. Maganda siya. The people are very nice. Si nanay dun sa siya yung nagre-receive ng mga ng mga guests sa may tindahan. She's very sweet, very nice. The price super cheap, I think. 200 per camper. Tapos bumili ako ng uling, water, and dalawang uling, water and ice. Binayad ko lahat 350. So very cheap, very sulit kasi safe yung lugar, malamig, maganda. Sana wag masira. I made sure na nilinis ko yung pinagkampan ko. So syempre, I want at least to be preserved, and I'll do what I can to help, diba? So yun eh. Sana may mga ginagawa pa sa doon. Sana mas gumanda pa yung place. Maganda na siya, don't get me wrong. Maganda yung place, I really like it. Tapos mura nga. I wish mas lumaki sila, mas maging successful, pero wag sana magtaas ng masyado yung presyo. Yung saktuhan lang, wag naman sobra. I'm very happy with it. Very nice experience. I love that place. Kung may ma-recommend kayo magandang pag-campingan around Cavite and Tagaytay, please comment down below. I'd love to visit those places. Tapos kung may questions kayo, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. So again, this is me, Chris. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Everybody loves everybody. Peace.